Hello my friends, how are you today? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to the fam. My name is Ina Pandora and today we are doing another DIY lash extensions at home review. If you watched my other DIY lashes, you know I've got them all in the same size. So I found these to where they have in one, they're pretty affordable too, by the way. They have like different sizes in one box. So today I want to do more of like a cat eye kind of situation. What I am looking at, they seem to be very voluminous and very dramatic, which I personally like. So they come in 4 sizes, 8, 10, 12, and 14. For the lash bond, I'm going to be using the Falscara from Kiss. With the previous lashes, my lashes lasted up to like 3 days, 3 to 4 days. If you know of a bond that lasts more than that, please let me know in the comments. I would love to try it. I have this one, so we're just gonna use it today. If you are new to DIY lash extensions at home, the way we apply it, we put the bond and we place the lashes underneath our own. So yeah. Let's just get started. The way it works, this side is the pink one, it's the bond, so we're gonna apply this first, and then we're going to use the seal. It's this teal side. The seal is going to kind of seal the deal and get rid of any tackiness if there is any in the process. Yeah, let's start with the bond first. This is how the bond looks like. For a stronger hold, I'm applying 2 coats. I'm going to be using the applicator. This one is included. Ooh, they are getting really tacky. Using the applicator, this one is included in the Falscara kit, but it's available on its own as well on Amazon. So if you guys want to check out any products that I'm going to be using today, I'm going to link them in the description of this video so you can check them out anytime you want. The problem I see with this set is like the numbers are nowhere to be found, so you kind of guess what length is, you know, which ones are what length. So I'm going to start with the longest. So what I'm doing is I'm going to place them underneath. There we go. Okay. I like to lift them up and just place them like this. Okay. Now I'm going to pick up one size down. Try to lifting them up so you guys can see. Wow, so far they look really nice. It's definitely give you volume, a lot of volume, to which I personally love. So yeah, right off the bat they look really good. I'm going to go another size down, trying to show you, but at the same time I'm trying not to poke myself in the eye. Accurate, make sure you're closing your eye and there's nothing poking. Okay, perfect. Now it looks complete. Now what I want to do is secure them with mine. So you want to go with your want to seal it now to get rid of any tackiness. So this side is, as you can see, it's clear. So what you want to do is just go it along the root and get rid of any tackiness. Alright guys, here is the final result. I personally am in love how it came out. They look not too dramatic, not too natural. They give that extra volume and va-va-voom. As you can see, they are pretty untraceable, to which I personally love that. For those of you who are just starting out and don't know what size of the lashes you want on your eyes, this one probably is going to be a really good option to start with, because it has like the smallest to the longest. Not the longest that are available on the market, but I believe this is the range that, like, for majority of people that they tend to get. So yeah, this one is definitely a yes. I do love that extra volume and extra like drama, but if you are more of like a natural girl, they do have different styles on their page as well. So Definitely recommend. This one is a good buy. I love it. And they're not too heavy too. I was expecting them to feel a little heavier on my eyes. They don't. They feel very lightweight. So I love them. Let me know in the comments down below what lashes would you like me to try next. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. Hope you found this video useful and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!